I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your data. Back up with Time Machine or create a full clone because installation can erase drives. Once done, confirm your Mac model supports the Mac OS release you plan to apply and download the official installer from the App Store. Make a bootable USB installer next. Use a 16 GB drive and the Create Install Media command. Make sure firmware is up to date before rebooting into the installer. This avoids unexpected failures. You'll now build and run the installer. Open Terminal and run the Create Install Media command with the downloaded installer and your USB name. Authenticate and wait for copying to finish. Once ready, reboot the Mac while holding Option/Alt and pick the USB installer. If the target drive needs wiping, use Disk Utility to format. Select apps for SSDs and Mac OS Extended, journaled for older hard drives. Then choose Install and follow prompts. Once installation completes, you'll walk through Setup Assistant. Sign in with your Apple ID, enable iCloud, and choose to migrate from your Time Machine backup if desired. After logging in, install system updates and necessary apps and review security and privacy settings. If something goes wrong, installation stalls or won't boot, reset NVRAM or the SMC, then try reinstalling from your bootable USB or use Internet Recovery. If issues persist, boot into safe mode to diagnose extensions and start up items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.